Hey everyone, today, we're going to explore how to import and export workflows in Engini. This feature can make your work much easier, especially when you want to reuse an existing workflow, move it between environments, or keep a backup of an automation you already created. Imagine building a workflow once, saving it as a file, and then importing it again whenever you need it. Sounds useful, right? In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps to export an existing workflow and then import a workflow from a JSON file. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. To begin, navigate to the Workflows section from the menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you can view all the workflows that already exist in your account. Find the workflow you want to export, then open the Options menu for that workflow. From the menu, choose the Export option. Once you click Export, the workflow will be downloaded to your computer as a JSON file. This file includes the saved workflow structure and settings. Now, let's import a workflow from a JSON file. Choose the Import option instead of creating one from scratch. This allows you to upload an existing workflow JSON file directly from your computer. Select the file you want to import, then confirm your selection. After the file is uploaded, Engini will create the workflow and open it in the editor. You can now review the imported workflow and check that all steps were added correctly. Keep in mind that imported workflows may require additional setup before they can run. Some connections may need to be reconnected, especially if the workflow came from another account or environment. Open the relevant steps, reconnect any missing connections, and review the fields to make sure they match your current workspace. Once everything is connected and configured correctly, save the workflow. From here, you can continue editing the workflow, activate it, or run a test to make sure everything works as expected. And that's it. You now know how to export an existing workflow and import a workflow from a JSON file.